What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I think this is going to be the first time I am addressing you guys through this camera. Today the video is going to be slightly different, and I used to upload videos of music and random vlogs, non-vlogs here and there. Today I'm going to be unboxing a very special item which I have been waiting for so long. This is going to be a huge game changer for me as I plan to work from home. So here with this is the product. This is Mikrotik LHG LTE6. This is a Latvian company, and after doing a lot of research online, I was able to find this product as the best solution. I am from northeastern part of India, Manipur, where we have very poor internet connectivity. I have tried LPTA antenna with the MR600, DP-Link MR600, which is kind of good, but since the internet service is not stable at home, whenever there is a complete data blackout, it's gone. So I was doing a lot of research online, and this is what I found finally. And after finding that this is going to be the best solution for me, I try to research a lot where I can find this. I've checked this product in Amazon and Flipkart, but this particular product is not available. Okay, so I went to the website for Mikrotik and I was checking the sellers in India, and I found one which is in Delhi, that is JRS Global Networks Pvt. I will share the link in my description. I reached out to them and I inquired about this particular model, that is LHG LTE6. That's quite a name. And initially this particular model was not available. After waiting for a week or two, I was able to get this, finally made the payment, and they shipped this part over to me in Bangalore. So this is gonna be the first, honestly I have opened this and I've checked the product, I've tested it a little bit here and there, but then this is gonna be a product review video which I'm gonna open up in front of you guys. So let's do it. So this is how the box look. It's very big, but it's kind of light. Alright, so I have the box in front of me. We're gonna cut it with this knife. This is Kai Hojo knife, which is very good for kitchen. So let's unbox this.
Okay. Alright, left hand.
So once we open this, let's pull out the product. Yep, here it is. Let's throw that box away, and the box will look like this. Like this. This looks like a studio sound absorber or something. Okay, so let's open this up. There we go. Let's throw that. This is the antenna. No, this is the mesh, and I think this is where we place the antenna. Here we have an option to tie it on a pole, and I have read through their description saying that this is going to be for the wind to pass freely, so that, you know, in times of storm or anything like that, this will remain stable. That's what they said. Similar to that, they said. We have a foam here to protect, and this is gonna be the router, and this is the Mikrotik logo here. We have the model, the serial number, everything at the back. We have the arms here, which you can plug in like this. Another arm here, which you can plug in like this, which I will do after some time. Let's keep it on the side. We have this PoE injector. You can give the power here. This will go to your laptop, and this is where you connect the router. I will show you how to do that. Next up we have this, this is a 12 volt power supply. Then we have this. You need to unscrew this, and then this will pop out. Then you can do like this, which there is a hole here. You can insert it here, and then you can tie it on the pole. So we have 1 and 2 of this. And here are a few screws which you can use to tighten the arms here, and here. There is one more small metal here which you can use. You can insert it here, and you can slightly tilt it down, or you can insert it down and you can slightly tilt it up according to the direction of the network tower which is available in your area. And this is another connector which I'm going to show you later, the use of it. So that's pretty much it. Let's keep these boxes away. Okay, so this is the router, external router, and this is how you fix the arms. I'll say left and right arms. So this is pretty sturdy. Once you fix it, it's very difficult to remove. Here you will fix it like this. It will make that clicking sound to ensure that it's in place. We'll fix the other one like this. Okay. So now it looks like this. This is how the mesh looks like. So if you put it this way, the antenna has to go like this. So here they have mentioned it's left and right, and this is going to be the bottom, because once you put it in the sun outside like this, these are all sealed and this can be opened. So this part has to be on top in order to protect this device from rainwater getting into the device. So let's put it this way, left, right, and bottom. And after that, it will look like this. Okay, now let me show you how to insert the SIM card and connect the Cat6 cable. The small connector which I showed you earlier, this is for earthing, where you need to connect it here. There's a small metal here, you need to connect it here. And then this will be connected to the metallic pole, which you will be putting this up in order to control the earthing. I have a micro SIM, which is a geo SIM, but there's a small hack. This is not a spring lock type SIM slot, so once you insert the SIM card, it is permanently locked there. So I made a mistake that I inserted one SIM card here, and then when I tried to remove the SIM card, it went too deep and I was not able to pull it out. So I had to open the whole thing up and then remove the SIM card. So in order to avoid that mistake, I was doing some research online, and they have given a hack where you need to put a small tape like this, if you can see, okay, so that you can insert the SIM, and if you want to remove it, you can slowly pull it out like this. So it's not spring lock, so it's safe to remove like this. So now I'm going to insert the SIM card into this Mikrotik LHG LTE6 external router, and I have a Cat6 cable here. Okay, this particular cable, it's very good. It's Cat6, but then because of this latch, it's kind of too big to use. Okay, so you need to take the cable like this and insert it here, and it will come out here. Then you need to insert it here and pull it slightly, and you can close this up. So now it will look like this, where you can see the cable here. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it on and see how it works. It's pretty simple. This is the antenna. You take the other end of the Cat6 cable and insert it here. You provide the power here, and you connect this to your laptop and you can access your internet. Okay, so I have a microphone stand here which I'm gonna use for demo purpose, and I have few zip ties here which I'm gonna use for now. So let's put this up. This is how you connect the Ethernet cable on your laptop, and this you can provide the power here. So it will look like this. Okay, so in order to make our life easier, I have this Dr.com router UPS which I'm going to use now to provide power to our router. So you open up like this. You have some paperwork. You have the actual UPS. When you open this, you have multiple cable options. So many options are there, which I have removed this one. If you press this button, it will turn on, and you can see indicator here of your power capacity. We have two outlet. One is 9 volt. This is 9 volt, and this is 12 volt. So our LHG LTE6 require 12 volts, so we're going to use this 12 volt. We're going to give power to the antenna through here, through the PoE injector. The moment we plug in that connector, you will see that there is a power. Second one is Ethernet, and the third is user, and the fourth is LTE. So LTE is the sign for our 4G connection. So now we can see that the Ethernet light is on. That means we are connected to the system. Let's give it some time for the LTE light to turn on. Okay, now we can see the LTE light is on, power is on, Ethernet is on. Now let's check how the setting is in our computer. Okay guys, so I'm testing this out inside my room. So the speed will be slightly different from how this device is supposed to be put up. That's going to be outdoor. But we are doing it here inside the room for our review purpose and how we set up on the PC. Okay, now let's open up our web page. That is 192.168.88.1 and hit enter. So this is how the interface look like. We can go to quick set. This is how we are getting the RSRP and RSSI information. Here we have your IP address, net mask. You can change your router identity name, and you can change a password. Click here for update, and you can click check for update. I've already done it, and my system is up to date now. So the only basic thing which I do in order to access internet is go here. Here we have our Ethernet information, and here we have our LTE information. Once you double click on it, we have an option to choose the band, whether it's band 3, band 40, band 5. I think in India for Airtel it's band 3, 5 and 40, and for Geo I think it's band 3, 4 and 40. So once you click and once you select your band, you can, for example, you can click here, click apply and click OK. So I'm gonna keep it as band 40 for now. I'm not gonna change it. I'm gonna click cancel. Now let's open up a speed test. So it's showing up our Geo. So we have 54 milliseconds ping, and we have a download speed of around 40.48 Mbps, which is really good. And for the upload, I think it's hovering around 5. Okay, so we are getting an upload speed of 4.83 Mbps. So now let's go back to our web interface and change the band to band 3. Let's unselect this and click apply and click OK. The moment you do that, here you will see that it is resetting. That is, it is changing the band for our router And you will also see that the LTE LED is off. So once resetting is completed, LTE LED will turn on and we can access internet again. So now after reset, double click here again and we can see that we are on band 3 now. Let's go back to speed test and let's see what's the difference. Here now we can see that we have a 39 milliseconds ping. The download speed is hovering around 6 and 7. So in band 3 we are getting 6.96 Mbps and the upload speed is slightly higher here on band 3. Okay, so we are getting a download speed of 6.96 and upload speed of 5.50. Okay, now let's go back to our interface again and let's change it to band 5. Now unselect this band 3. Let's go to band 5. My apologies, the band selection bands available for Geo in India is 3, 5 and 40 as I was just googling it. Now if I click on apply, it's gonna reset it again, so this will be disconnected. I will be back once we are up. Okay, we are back on the web page now and let's confirm that this is at band 5. Let's check the speed. It's 8, hovering between 8 and 9, and we have 8.86 upload speed. So this is the band 5. Okay guys, so this is a short layman review, not a complete technical review of this LHG Mikrotik LHG LTE6 antenna, which I will be doing more testing in the future where I need to travel to some remote places where we have low network connectivity, and I'm gonna test this out. But as for now, I am testing it here inside my home for the review purpose and for the setup purpose. If you like this short review video, please watch out for my channel. I have ordered SXT LTE6, which is a smaller cone shaped kind of antenna, which is also outdoor, that has 2 SIM slots, which we can perform automatic failover in case one of the SIM goes down. So the one thing I like about the other model is at the back of the router we have something like this where you need to point the antenna in every direction and you can monitor the signal. So the moment you get the strongest signal, you can point it there and then you can fix it there. So that video will be coming up soon. Again, I will share the website and the link of the seller where I purchased this particular antenna and the one which I just ordered. So watch out for that, and thank you again for watching this video. I hope you find this little interesting, kind of interesting. If you like this video, no, I'm not gonna say subscribe, just watch out for my channel, and I will see you next time. Peace.